So it is 25th of May 2024 and I'm at my house in Sector 31. Very excited because I'm gonna go and vote for the Lok Sabha elections in the Gurgaon constituency, where Raj Babbar from Congress and Rao Inderjeet Singh from BJP are locking horns. We reached the Government Senior Secondary School Bhimgar Kheri in Gurgaon, where my polling station is located. The people are excited over here. We can see the SHO and a lot of government vehicles. So it's the polling atmosphere. Doesn't look very crowded, but let's see this how it's going inside. So let's try to find out where the polling exactly is going on. I'm not entirely sure. There seem to be some agents sitting over here. Let's try to find out from them. What's the procedure?
तो सर ये BLOs हैं, ये आपको बता देंगे कि
BLO कहाँ पर बैठे हैं?
ये बैठे हैं, ये
अच्छा।
लेडीज जो है ना।
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू जी। ओके, सो वी आर हैविंग द BLOs। जी मैडम, हमें वोट करना है, बताइए किस तरह से करते हैं? So apparently the procedure is that you first take the booth number on your polling station.
सर 31 का सर
कौन से में?
31 मैं BLO से पूछ रहा जाके 31 पार्ट में सर 31 यहीं पे है, 31 यहीं पे है।
So apparently you have to get a पर्ची made first before you can vote. Sir, पर्ची बनवानी है?
पर्ची बनाओ।
So it looks like a rather complicated procedure. You have to present your e-pick number to these guys out here, and then they tell you the booth number, then you get a slip made, and apparently then you have to go to the polling booth. So there you go. That's my पर्ची getting made by this gentleman out here. Nice. I think I've got my slip now. Dhanyawad ji, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, we are at a polling station. We got these पर्ची made, and now we are proudly going inside the polling booth again on 31 booth number, and it's a school. It's a government senior secondary school, which really means that they teach all the way till class 12. It's CBSE affiliated. I went to a CBSE school as well. So let's go to the polling station now at the booth number 31. So guys, I'm very excited. I voted finally at booth number 31 at Bhimgar Kheri Government Senior Secondary School, Gurgaon, in these Lok Sabha elections. The procedure is very simple. You go inside with your slip inside this booth where videography is not allowed. You go inside and then, you simply go with the slip. And after you go in with the slip, you simply have to, go to the voting machine after verification. And then the voting machine itself has a lot of buttons inside. In front of every button there is a Chunav Chin. Then you click on the button for the party whom you want to vote, and then there's a red light which appears, and then you stand in front of the VV pad where it confirms whom you voted for along with the Chunav Chin, and then there's a beep and that confirms your voting, and then you come out. It's as simple as that. So very proud to have voted for the Lok Sabha elections in Gurgaon. Unfortunately, the videography is not allowed inside the polling booth. These policemen and the police person, if you will, disallowed that, but I think they're doing their job. And I was talking about this mark which they put on the left hand index finger. Apparently this ink is actually made of silver nitrate, and it covers part of your skin and part of your nail. And apparently this ink of silver nitrate is actually made in India by the National Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, and by the National Physical Laboratory, and it's actually exported to 30 countries from India. the mark on the skin can remain there from 10 to 12 days. It's a photosensitive material, and on the nail, it can actually remain there for more than a month. Now, that's silver nitrate for you. And looking at the polling station, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't appear to be very crowded. So I get a feeling that the amount of polling or the percentage polling seems to be less. Now, of course, the day will proceed and then we'll see what's the outcome. But at the moment in the morning, it seems to be kind of subdued. So my feeling is that people are not voting very aggressively in this polling station at the Government Senior Secondary School, Bhimgarh Kheri in Gurgaon. I don't know whether that will have an outcome on the election itself or not, but looks very peaceful. I could just walk in like a couple of persons in my booth 31 out there and could vote very easily. I was expecting a long queue and that kind of thing, but that doesn't seem to be the case, which is quite as well personally, but I'm not sure if that's good for democracy.